Hi, today's lesson is about the numlock button. The numlock button turns your number pad on and off. Let's take a moment and locate the number pad on your keyboard at your computer station. The number pad is the keypad that is on the right side of your keyboard and has the digits from 0 to 9, and then has a period, enter, plus, minus, star, and slash, and finally comes to the numlock button, which is right here on your pad. That numlock button, when pushed, turns the number pad on and off. And you'll notice there's a numlock light. When the light is lit up, your number pad is active. When the light is off, your number pad is turned off. And the only button that'll work is the enter key. The enter key works whether the number pad is on or off. Take a moment and find your own numlock button and turn it on and off. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at our next tutorial.